Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. You all know I love working on older bikes. I grew up with the older bikes, so I like bringing them back to life. This is one instant. Customers brought me a 1986 FXRT, and you can see by the bike, it's not an FXRT anymore. It's been stripped of all the FXRT parts and made into an FXRS. And the customer is trying to bring her back to life, but boy, was chasing a lot of wire issues. Because one, it had wiring harness for an FXRT, but I don't have a lot of the stuff there, and so things were touching power, ground, all that kind of stuff. So he went online and found a company that supplies a main wiring harness. I was so impressed with this main wiring harness that I had to share. I'll have my camera person look down to where it's at. This is all placed in the right place. This is up going to the 12 pin. This goes to the console. This is the ignition switch. We've got the coil. Back here is the circuit breakers, then the relay, and everything is where it should be on an FXRS. Very impressed with this company. So I thought, a lot of you guys have older bikes, and some of you are trying to bring back your dad's bike, your grandpa's bike, something that means a lot to you, and it's real hard to find parts for it. So I thought I'd share this website. I don't get paid by these guys, but this is something to look into. It's the Good Old Motorcycle Parts Company. Give them a look. If you've got a wiring problem and you just want to start from scratch and have a wiring harness and just have everything right, take a look at these guys, because this could help you, or it could possibly help your Harley technician you're going to get down to the bottom of the deal and get this bike back and running. Just wanted to share with you. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.